Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I've got a little project here, and I've been looking for a sideboard for a long time, and that's what it is. It's called a Teak Sideboard. I paid about 200 sticks for this, and some lovely Polish brothers from Poland, I'd assume, brought it down from Glasgow, and it's not in mint condition. It's from the 60s, so I'm going to plan on restoring it a little bit, and I've never done that before, and I don't know much about anything, but I've got YouTube videos, right? So I'm going to use that. How hard could that be? It might be a little bit on the big side, but ladies like it big. What I need to do first, what the videos are saying, is get the varnish stuff off using a bit of paint stripper, right? And you can see where it's starting to wear down a little bit over here. So I'm going to just put some paint stripper on it with a brush and then scrape it all off. I lied. I think the first thing I need to do is probably, take the drawers out and the cupboard doors off. While I was taking the drawers out, there was a Christmas card in the bottom, which must have been there for a long time. I can't imagine this sideboard has been in too many families. It's been in a room for 60 years. It must have soaked up so much energy, all the tears, all the screaming from the arguments, all the love. So hopefully it can bring some of that energy into my living room, because I need it. But it really did smell like old people inside, so I hope that does go. And you can kind of see some of the stains a little bit more here in the sun, and God, it's warm. I've worked up myself quite a little bit of forehead sweat. Okay, that cracked then. Probably shouldn't sit on it anymore. So I'm gonna paint some paint stripper onto it, and now I'll take some odds on how much I'm gonna ruin this. It's gonna be a waste of money and time, but you learn, you live. But there are a few big scratches in it that I think after I strip off all the varnish, I'm going to try and give it a little bit of a sanding. I've got an electric sander from my dad. All the essentials. Here we are. Everything that I need. Got some sandpaper for the corners, obviously. Got my little sandwich bag. Whoa. Paint stripper. Steel wool. Banana. This should be pretty exciting. I think I'm going to crack on and get stripping. Whoa. What do you guys think that looks like? Yucky. Oh, I thought it'd be like clear. Whew, I'm already bored. I'm already bored. Work harder, not smarter, eh? That's definitely not how professionals do it, I bet. Need to get more on. I will, oh God. Ooh, it's yellow. It must be working. Woo! Boom. So I've put some paint stripper on it, and yeah, I don't know if I've done it correctly or enough, but I guess I can always put more on at a later date. But yeah, it kind of looks like my my bedroom floor when I was a teenager, right? Nah. But I guess I just have to wait now. I think an hour, so boom. So this is what it looks like after it's been sat for an hour. So let's get to scraping it. So I've pretty much got done scraping it all off, and I don't know what it's meant to look like, but there's parts of it, obviously this is where it was worn down before, that are lighter than the other bits, but I think that's what it's meant to all look like. So I might put another little bit on the darker bits, but also just try and give it another little bit of a scrape, because it's got patches around here. Also, I had a little bit of a whoopsie. I think I went through one of the layers right there, so I'm gonna kill myself later probably. My worst nightmare. But boy, do I feel delirious. I don't know if there's some sort of chemicals that shouldn't be breathed in this paint stripper, but I'll tell you what, I can't even feel my legs right now. Kind of feels good, kind of feels bad, but I'm gonna put some more chemicals on it, and maybe that'll sort me out. Bah! So look at that. It looks so much better a day after. I put another coat on it and it's all gone the same color, which I am happy about. So now I've treated myself to some milk, and I am going to apply some to the sides. Well, I think that'll be next episode. And I'll do all the drawers as well. But it's looking good. It's looking good, people.